and I went to FASU, which is the Filipino Association Student Union, ASA, Asian Student Association, and HSA, which is the CIVS. And I decided to commit to FASU because I was interested in Filipino culture, and I got to meet a bunch of people, went to UNCG with them, met more people, and really indulge myself into this culture. And I found that there are more similarities and differences between these different orgs that we have. It's all a matter of going out and physically being there to support them. So not only do I have experience, but I do have solutions as coming in as a freshman. And with my artistic abilities and my socializing skills and connections, I think that I'm perfect for this position. Any questions?
Alex?
Oh, sorry. I was kind of going through, but I did make a mock-up of a flyer that I would make. Can you tell the life size?
Oh,
That's good.
So personally for me, when I was coming as a freshman, there was a flyer. It was a bit busy, a little unclean, just from an artist's perspective. Okay. I love you. I love you. I love you.
It was her first slide.
That's actually my favorite flyer. I love the composition. I love the composition of it, and it had all